cup sealing machine. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a length of 9 inches, a depth of 13.5 inches, and a height of 24 inches tall. Coming to the top left and right are 2 rollers where the film can be changed. Coming to the bottom will be the on and off switch, the heat and temperature light, along with the controller. Coming to the bottom is the pull-out tray and the area where the cup can be inserted. There will be an O-ring that can be removed, and by removing the O-ring, the radius of the cup that can be used is 3.5 inches. With the O-ring inserted, we have a cup size of 3.25 inches. Between the base to the top of the tray where the cup will stand, we have a height of 6 inches. Coming to the side will be a sticker diagram, and included will be a 110-120 voltage plug, which this cup sealer will require. Coming to the back will be the CE certification along with the electrical specifications. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.